how to change name on eToro. So let's get started, guys. So just go to your eToro website and then log in with your account. So there's a twist, guys, that eToro does not allow you to change your username or name. So there's no such option to change your username or let's say name. So instead, what you can do is just follow me, guys. On your left hand side, just scroll and go to settings and then go to account and then just scroll up all the way down and choose close your eToro account. So over here you can close your eToro account and then start a fresh new account with the name that you want. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it and learn how to deposit on eToro. So let's get started, guys. So firstly, just go to your eToro and log in with your account. Then on your left hand side, over here you'll find deposit fund. Just go over there. Take some time, just have some patience, guys. Loading, and now you're over here. So there are options. You can use your credit card, bank transfer, Skrill, or PayPal. So you can deposit over here. You can get a card number, your month, your CV, everything, middle name, everything, and you can select the amount and just press on deposit. So that's gonna do the deposit part. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to get free money on eToro. So it's not a built-in option, but it's something you should get knowledge of. So let's get started, guys. So go to your eToro website and then log in with your account. Then what you do is just go to this left-hand side. Over here, you'll find this wallet option. Just go over there and then scroll a bit down. And then over here, you see this refer a friend option. So you can invite your friend and earn up to $500, it says. So just press on invite and you can copy link or invite friend over here like from Facebook or anything. And that's how you do it, guys. Your referral will get you $50 which you can earn easily, guys. So that's how you earn free money, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. How you can write a post on eToro. So let's get started, guys. So just go to your eToro website and then log in with your account. And then you'll be over here on the home page of eToro. Then what you're gonna do is just scroll a bit down and then over here you'll find this option which says what's on your mind. So over here you can write a post, also upload some attachments, and you can also create a post. So we're gonna write something, so just press on it, ignore it, guys, and then share your thoughts. So what do you want to write? So let me just try. Let's get started, and you can select this post option and it will post, guys. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you write a post on eToro, guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. How to join eToro using Facebook account. So what you're gonna do is, guys, just go to your web browser and type www.etoro.com. Then it will redirect you to this eToro website. So here you can see the website of the eToro. So as you want to join eToro using Facebook account, what you have to do is just go to this login option on the top right corner, and then here is the sign in option that you will get. So over here you have option to sign in with Apple, let's say Facebook, and as well as the Google. So you want to sign in with Facebook, just go with that option, and then it will take some time, guys. Just have some patience. And now now it will ask your email or phone number and then the password. Just type yours, anything, your email and then the password, and then just login, or if you want to create a new account, just go with the create new account. How you can verify your account on eToro. So what you're gonna do is just go to your eToro website. So just type www.etoro.com and then log in with your account. Then you'll be having two options over here. So either you can go to the left hand side and there you'll be having option which says complete profile, or you can go over here which says verify your account to start investing and the verify button. So let me go with the verify button. And so I have completed half of the steps. So half of the steps include your address, your profile. Just go next, next, and in my case let me just go with the never option, then next again, and so it says your reels and listening experience, let's say 10, 1 to 10, like this. Just do some options, or let's say normal is, and please mark the correct statement. Just read all of these and go with the one that you think that's okay. Correct statement. Let me see. Okay, let's go with this one. Then currency stock and what you have like planned for the investment. In my case, I go with the stocks. And so this. So you have to do some takings over here. So this. And how much you plan to deposit in your eToro account over the course. So let me just select this one. And then next. This, like this. Buy or any other. So take which one do you is okay. And then source of income, let's say in my case salary. Done. And occupations, let's say let's just go with any of this one. Let's a student. Net annual income, your everything, just go like this, and then just choose confirm, and just choose complete verification. It will ask you to do this is the last step, and after you verify your phone number, your account will go to the verification process and it will take 2 or 3 days to verify your account. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. Today we're gonna learn how you can log into eToro through Gmail account. So what you're gonna do is just go to eToro website first. So just type www.etoro.com and then you'll be redirected to this particular website. Then what you're gonna do is just go to this top right corner where it says login, and then it will redirect you to the login page of eToro. So here you can see you can log in or let's say sign in through different platforms. So as you want to sign in through your Gmail account or let's say Google account, just go to the option which says sign in with Google, and then just choose your account and do all the formalities and confirm it. Now it will start logging in. So it will take some time, just do all the steps from here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you log in or sign in with your Gmail account in eToro. So thank you for watching our video, guys. Follow someone on eToro. So what you're gonna do is just go to your eToro website and then log in with everything. Log into your account and then you'll be on your home base like this. Now on your left, just go to this discover option. And then over here you'll find many options like this. So scroll a bit down, then you'll be having the traders over here. So choose anyone. Let me just choose with this one, and then here's the option which says to copy. Just click on it, or you can do this as well. So my watch list plus copy. So that's how you follow someone on eToro. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. How you can change currency on eToro. So what you're gonna do is just go to your eToro, guys, and log in with your account. Then over here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you'll be having the option which says settings. Just go on it, and then just go to this general option first, and now on your right it says display currency. So now it is US dollar, so you can change over here by clicking on it, and you can change it to Australian dollar, euro, pound sterling, and anything. So let me just choose Australian dollar. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So choose phone number on eToro. So what you're gonna do is, guys, just go to eToro, log in with your account. Then on your left hand side you'll be having the option which says settings. Just go over there, and then or on the settings just go on the account option. Now scroll down a bit, and then here you'll be having option of the phone to change. In my case I haven't added a phone number, so just go with the option over here which says change like this, and just go on, click it, and then over here there you can edit your phone number. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. How you can change your username on eToro account. So let me tell you one thing, guys. There is not any option to change your username, or you can not even change your username in eToro. So that's one of the sad part. But what you can do is, guys, let's learn. So I have another method. So let's say the alternative to changing your username. What you can do is just go to your eToro and log in with your account. Then just go to your left hand side and scroll a bit, and you'll find your settings. Go there and go to account. Then scroll all the way down and just close your eToro account. Then select the category why you are leaving your account and do it. Then you can create a new one with the new username, guys. So that's how you can actually, let's say, change your username as an alternative way, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. How you can find stocks on eToro. So what you're gonna do is just go to your eToro website and log in with your account. Then you'll be over your home page of the eToro. So what you're gonna do is just go to this search bar and type the name of the stock that you want to find. So let me just write Tesla, and then see, guys, you can find the name of these stocks over here. You can find the stocks over here like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.